In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to insert a shape using Microsoft Word 2013. Currently, I am in the Home tab, which gives me the home commands in the ribbon. In order to insert a shape into Word, we need to go ahead and click on the Insert tab. And if you look in the Illustrations group, you will see a button for shapes. I'm going to go ahead and press this button, and when I do this, I see a wide variety of shapes, and you'll see that they are categorized. For instance, you'll see recently used shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, so on and so forth. At this point, I'm going to start off by drawing a simple rectangle. So I'm going to go ahead and click on rectangle, and you'll notice that my cursor has now changed into a crosshair, which will allow me to go ahead, and when I left click with my mouse, hold and drag, I can draw a shape out to my desired specifications. And now I let go, and there's my rectangle. At this point, I want to note a few things. First and foremost, my rectangle is selected. I know this because of the bounding box around the rectangle. And if I look into the tabs area, I will now see that I have a brand new tab, which says Drawing Tools Format. This tab will give me commands that are specific for this shape. So I can change the shape fill, outline, etc. And I can go ahead at this point and move the actual shape. In a few seconds, you will notice that when I move my cursor inside of the actual shape, it will change. And now I can go ahead and click, hold, and drag and move my rectangle to my desired location. I can also go ahead and resize the rectangle by grabbing any one of these anchor points. I can also go ahead and rotate the actual rectangle. You'll notice above the top center anchor point, there's a curved arrow. If I go ahead and click on this, I can go ahead and rotate my shape. And to be quite honest with you, there are many other things that I can do with shapes, many of which you'll find in the ribbon under the Design Tools Format tab. Before I conclude this video, however, I want to go ahead and show you once again how to insert a shape. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and deselect the shape by just simply clicking outside of the shape. And now, as you can see, my cursor is once again flashing. At this point, I'm going to go back to the Insert tab. I'm going to go back to the Illustrations group, click on the Shapes button, and this time I'm going to go ahead and select Lines. Again, you'll notice that my cursor has changed into a crosshair. I'm going to start drawing my actual line out. And now that I've created my shape, you'll notice that there's anchor points. You'll also notice that in the tabs area, it says Drawing Tools and Format. So again, you can alter different shapes by once again using the ribbon. So now at this point, my actual line is selected. If I wanted to go ahead and select my rectangle, I just simply go ahead and click on it with my mouse. And now my rectangle is selected. Again, I can see the bounding box around the rectangle. Well, there you have it, how to insert a shape in Microsoft Word, and also how to alter a shape in Microsoft Word 2013.